Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to make a resume on your Google Docs with simple steps. If you guys are wanting to develop a CV or a resume, I'll teach you right now how to create it in a simple way on Google Docs. So at first, you must open up Google Docs, and you can go into the blank document and start typing all the things by yourself, or what you can do is go to template gallery here. You click on there, and right below you'll see CVs. So these are the resume that you can choose from. These are the templates of the resume. Whichever you find suitable for your style, for your preference, you click on one of these. So I'll click on these resume serif, so it will be loaded in few seconds, and here will be all the information that they required, or the degrees or the projects, every skills awards that you have. So at first you must type in your name, login. Oh, sorry, it's not the space. I'm going to type in login giants. Here should be your motto or a sweet description about yourself. Okay, I'm gonna write your email, your phone number, your address, everything at the right hand side. This is the experience side where you have worked, your experience, your internships, everything on here, and education level right here. If you have a bachelor's degree or a master's degree, you mention everything that you have right here. And if you have done any projects by yourself or with the help of a team, or you were involved in any of the projects, you write it here. There are the languages that you know. It can be bilingual, multilingual, trilingual, or a single monolingual. So here are the award section, if you have received any in your lifetime, and the skills that you have developed or you think are good at. So this is how you make a CV or a resume. And after you are done with this, you click on file, you go to download, and you can download as a PDF, as a Microsoft Word, anything that you're comfortable or anything that you want to send on. So this is how you make a resume on Google Docs. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.